Let's write the rule for this piecewise function. We're going to have f of x is equal to, and I'm going to draw a big bracket for our two pieces. Starting off with the horizontal piece, we know that the format for a horizontal line is y is equal to some number. That number is going to come from this point that you see here. Now, we are counting by twos on the y-axis, so that's going to be 6. So y is equal to 6. Now we need to state our domain for this particular piece. If you notice here, we do include all the negative values for x. However, we end up stopping when we hit 0. So x is going to be less than 0 for y is equal to 6. Not less than or equal to because that circle is open. We move on to the linear piece. This piece should be in the format of y is equal to mx plus b. We can actually see our y-intercept. Remember, we are counting by 2, so that's going to be negative 6. So we have y is equal to mx minus 6. Now, finding our slope, we're going to use rise over run. So I'm going to start here at my y-intercept, and then I'm going to go up to positive 2. But remember, we are counting by 2, so really that's 2, 4, 6, and then 8. Now for the running part, I'm going to go to the right 2 units. And notice that on the x-axis, we're actually counting by 1. So that's just going to be plus 2. So I have a slope of 8 over 2, which I know that's going to simplify to 4. So I have y is equal to 4x minus 6. That's going to be my linear piece. Now I need to state my domain. Now let me erase all of this so we can see it a little bit better. We are starting here, but we need the x value of this, and that would be 0. So we're starting when x is 0. Now let's see where we're going to. If we look, the end of this point is here, but we need that x value, and that x value is here at 4. So we're going from 0 to 4. Now notice the circles are both closed, and since they're both closed, make sure you put equal to. So it needs to be where x is greater than or equal to 0, but it's less than or equal to 4. And that's going to be the rule for this piecewise function. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you follow us for more.